Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making healthy, yummy, easy recipe for weight loss journey. Vegan recipe. In a pan, butter 1 tablespoon, veggies. I'm using carrot, broccoli, cabbage, carrot, onion and mushrooms. Everything 1/4 cup. Transfer to a pan. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Now add salt as per taste. Veggie stock half optional. Now add water 1 liter. Mix everything, cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Close the lid. After 10 minutes, ragi powder 4 tablespoon. Give nice mix without any lumps. Cook for 2 minutes on high heat. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. Sprinkle pepper on top. See ya, bye.